stand over here. Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm gonna do a review on this Amazon Basics folding chair. Now, the first thing you're gonna do is, when it's folded up, there's no way to latch it to keep it folded. There is this little lock over here, that is for when it's down. So we're gonna zoom in over here. When you fold it out, let's zoom in right here, and we've gotta lock it. So we're gonna put this down first, and then do this. Now it's locked. Now let's sit in it. This one is very comfortable. It's got like a little springy to it. It rocks. It sits really nice. I like that it has this head pillow that I can adjust. So I'm 6'2", 260 pounds, and this fits me very well. I feel like I can rock in it. Don't feel like I'm gonna fall over backwards. It's at a comfortable angle. Now let's fold it up. Just undo this, that, and fold it up. And now you can take it with you. It is very lightweight. So I hope this review helps. Thanks everybody for watching.